today's episode on Design Seeds, let us review a transformation of a gloomy cluster house into a modern Scandinavian harmonious home. Embrace the beauty of life in a Scandinavian-inspired home next to a 60-acre pet-friendly Central Park. If you are a pets person and have been struggling to hunt for the perfect weekend spot for the quality time spent with your family or pets, here's a new spot for you. My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seeds. Today's episode on Design Seed, we will be revealing a 32 by 70 two-story cluster semi-detached home with 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. Can 1 million ringgit get you a gated guarded semi-detached home? This episode is sponsored by Gamuda. Mori Pine is a premium residential development located within the Gamuda Cove township in Selangor, Malaysia. The homes are designed with meticulous research to suit today's society's lifestyle and needs. As you enter the property, the entrance foyer invites you with curved storage cabinets, creating a cozy and warm welcome of an introduction to the home. Approaching the spacious living area, the eye-catching focal goes to the tastefully selected curved sofa that complements the organic flow of the TV cabinet design. The color combination of the TV cabinet exudes the modern minimalist touches of Scandinavian design. One of the key selling points I love about the Mori Pine project is the wide sliding opening that stretches across the living and dining area. This allows natural lighting to penetrate into the house and also improves the cross ventilation in the house during a cool, breezy day. Another plus point to the wide opening is that it opens up to the direct access of an additional private 10-feet garden courtyard. This garden allows for so much possibilities that could accommodate all sorts of activities: barbecue, camping, sports, inflatable pool. The private side garden enclave allows for semi-private gatherings and events, making family and friends occasion more memorable and exciting. The most impactful transformation that makes a surprising focal highlight to the home is the staircase design. What was initially an empty space of a conventional staircase is now staged to be an eye-catching feature backdrop that elevates the interior design of the entire property. With a hidden door access under the staircase and storage cabinets and a pocket garden that gives a touch of the character to the heart of the home. The Mori Pine project is built on an advanced construction method called Next Gen Digital IBS, which stands for a Next Generation Digital Industrialized Building System. On the floor plans, it indicates which are the IBS walls that can be hacked and reorientated. And the guest room on the ground floor was reorientated to create a larger impression for the rear of the cluster unit. The existing entrance to the guest room was relocated to face the kitchen area and converted into a large sliding door opening. The converted guest room is now a tastefully designed study room. The bespoke curved cabinet design displays an extraordinary character that makes this tucked-away guest room an exclusive hideout. Because of the cluster unit concept, this study enjoys a perfect view of a private open-to-sky courtyard, allowing natural cross-ventilation and energetic beams of natural lighting that penetrates into the space during the day. With today's adaptation of the work-from-home culture, having an extra work studio at home is rather ideal. Imagine having a work studio that allows you to have your personal zone and allows you to walk out to the courtyard for a breather and connect with your family and friends. Dividing the study room from the kitchen area, the full-height fluted glass sliding door embraces an interesting silhouette of movements at the kitchen. The kitchen design displays the right moods of the Scandinavian color palettes. Furnished in muted and nude colors, the Oreo white sparkle tabletop, complemented by modern touches of the lighting display, the kitchen is well orientated to house the perfect cooking experience. Tucked at the rear end of the property is a laundry area that also allows a possibility of turning into a wet kitchen, a space that could contain heavy cooking and regular washing. Stepping into the upper level, the master room is highlighted with soothing touches of curved elements. Emphasis on the curved edging TV wall, display cabinets with curved feature and complemented by a quirky curved entrance to create a walk-in closet, which allows you to contain noise during dressing up preparations. The layout of the two other bedrooms accommodates for a corner window which allows for a wider unblocked view of the surrounding biophilic landscape. And in terms of space planning, this corner window area allows for a potential window daybed, a study area, or even a dressing table space. This tackles the usual layouts of having a study or a dressing table facing an empty bare wall. This project promotes the modern Scandinavian concept enveloped by lush biophilic greeneries complemented by thoughtful neighborhood facilities. Due to the cluster unit concept, it allows for privacy and an opportunity of an open-to-sky shared courtyard. The bedroom shares a view of the courtyard that has a fruitful glimpse of a mini garden from the study area beneath, elevating the biophilic experience within the house. This is what we call bringing the outdoors into your interiors. The high ceiling family hall using full-length curtains emphasize on the high ceiling volume. The window profiles that gives a wider and clearer visual of the surrounding landscape makes the property feel uniquely different. With such a high ceiling volume, a potential of toying with the idea of a possible mezzanine floor could be relatively possible. A possible reading or study area at the bottom and a daybed or rest area at the mezzanine. This is realizing your childhood dream with design. Stretch your muscles and stimulate your senses along paved pathways flanked by luscious plant life. Feel the ground pound beneath your feet on early morning jogs or take a leisurely stroll at sunset. The mellifluous sound of rushing water creates a calming soundtrack for your outdoor sojourns, thanks to the bubbling brook weaving its way through the surroundings. Mori Pine is a premium residential development developed by Gamuda Land. That are designed with sustainable features and an emphasis on greenery and biophilic concept. Feel free to head on to Gamuda Cove Experience Center and check out the show units they have to offer. Located just side by side, you'll be able to experience several design concepts that could possibly suit your personal preference. We hope you enjoyed today's episode, and if you have not subscribed to us yet, please click on that subscribe button and keep that notification buzzer on to be in the loop of more upcoming design episodes. My name is Alex Lee, and I am from Design Seeds. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next week.